how to add or remove sound amplifier to app list on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library and go to next page, and you will see sound amplifier is here. Click on sound amplifier and click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in sound amplifier settings, you will see show icon in the app list. If you want to remove sound amplifier to app list, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see sound amplifier is remove on app list. If you want to add, click on search and search and click on and go back and click on Play Store and search sound amplifier and click on open and click on this three dot icon and click on settings. You will see, and if you want to add sound amplifier to app list, turn on this button. After turn on show icon in the app list, go back to home screen and you will see sound amplifier is add. So you will add or remove sound amplifier from app list. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove sound amplifier to app list on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.